Hi, this is Mike, sales consultant with Infinity. I'm here out on our lot to show the motion activated lift gate. It's something that I get a lot of questions about. People try to do this kind of side to side kick motion or kick in and out too fast. So what I like to do is use this emblem here as a guide and then go all the way down. You're gonna want to kick right between there. So it's just a real quick in and out like that. And the lift gate comes up, and you do the same thing to get it down. And right here you can use the latch as a guide. Just real quick in and out. Wait a second, and that's it. The pause is also important. It takes a second for it to realize it's motion activation is going in, so it's in, out, and that's it.